Welcome to the Quiz channel. Welcome to the Planet Earth quiz. Let's test how much you know about our amazing planet. Are you ready to begin? But before that, like the video and subscribe to the Quiz channel. What is the name of our planet? Is it Earth, Mars, Jupiter or Moon? The name of our planet is Earth. Which shape best describes Earth? Is it flat, cube, round or triangle? Earth is best described as a round planet. Which part of Earth is made mostly of water? Is it mountains, oceans, forests or deserts? The part of Earth made mostly of water is the oceans. What do we call the land areas on Earth? Are these clouds, rivers, continents or oceans? The land areas on Earth are called continents. Which is the largest continent on Earth? Is it Africa, Asia, Europe or Australia? The largest continent on Earth is Asia. What gas do humans need to breathe? Is it oxygen, carbon dioxide, helium or nitrogen? Humans need to breathe a gas called oxygen. What force keeps us on the ground? Is it magnetism, gravity, electricity or light? The force that keeps us on the ground is called gravity. Which layer of the Earth do we live on? Is it core, mantle, crust or outer core? We live on the outer layer of Earth called the crust. What do we call frozen water found at the poles? Rain, glacier, rivers or lakes? Frozen water at the poles is called glacier. Which planet is called the blue planet? Is it Mars, Earth, Neptune or Venus? The planet known as the blue planet is Earth. What is the name of the only natural satellite of Earth? Is it Sun, Mars, Moon or star? The only natural satellite of Earth is the Moon. What do we call water that falls from clouds? Is it wind, snow, rain or lightning? Water that falls from clouds is called rain. What kind of trees do not lose leaves in winter? Are these deciduous, tropical, evergreen or desert? Trees that do not lose their leaves in winter are called evergreen trees. What is the hottest layer of the Earth? Is it crust, mantle, core or surface? The hottest layer of the Earth is the core. What do we call it when the ground shakes? Is it hurricane, flood, earthquake or storm? When the ground shakes, it's called an earthquake. What is the spinning movement of Earth called? Rotation, revolution, vibration or spinning? The spinning movement of Earth is called rotation. What does the Earth revolve around? Is it Moon, Mars, Sun or stars? Earth revolves around the Sun. How long does Earth take to orbit the Sun? 1 day, 365 days, 30 days or 7 days? It takes 365 days for Earth to orbit the Sun. What do we call areas that are very dry and hot? Are these oceans, forests, deserts or lakes? Very dry and hot areas are called deserts. What covers most of Earth's surface? Is it land, forest, water or ice? Water covers most of Earth's surface. Which direction does the sun rise from? Is it north, south, east or west? The sun rises in the east. Which ocean is the largest? Is it Indian, Atlantic, Pacific or Arctic? The largest ocean on Earth is the Pacific Ocean. Great! You completed the Earth quiz. How many did you get right? Tell us in the comments. Like and subscribe for more fun quizzes.